Icedrive Honest Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Icedrive isn't just cloud storage, you won't believe how it combines security, speed, and affordability in one platform. Most people get this wrong by assuming cloud storage always means subscription-heavy plans, but Icedrive offers flexible pricing with zero hidden fees and client-focused features. The free plan provides 10 GB of storage, with basic file syncing and sharing. 8 plans start at $67 per month for 150 GB, $17 per month for 1 GB, and $30 per month for 5 TE when billed annually. You won't believe the value of this pricing. All plans include end-to-end encryption, desktop and mobile apps, and fast file transfers. Most people get this wrong by only comparing storage space. They overlook encryption and cross-platform access, which are key for secure and efficient workflow. Icedrive also offers lifetime plans, a one-time payment for perpetual cloud storage, a rare option in the market. This is ideal for users looking to avoid recurring fees while securing their data long-term. In conclusion, Icedrive pricing is transparent and competitive, reflecting its combination of security, storage, and user-friendly features. By evaluating your storage needs, platform compatibility, and preference for annual versus lifetime plans, you understand what you get for your money. It's more than cloud storage, it's peace of mind for your digital life.